Friends, how are you all? Hope you all are good at home. So children, once again you all welcome back in moral science video. And children, today once again I am going to make you revise this chapter and hope you will listen very carefully because this chapter already I explained many times, but once again at a glance I am going to discuss this chapter, and then after today you all are going to do the question answer. Okay, so first children, the chapter 1 and the name of the chapter, God the creator. Yes, God the creator. God is the what? God has created the universe. He has created the sun, moon and all the creatures of the earth. Okay children, so what God has created everything. So children, we should always trust in God. We should always believe in God, my dear. Now after that you all will do the what first, but before children, one time I want to say about this, I would like to tell you about this story. Chapter story name is children the trusting dog. Okay, there was one dog, and dog always believe on God. Okay, he always believed on God. So one day by mistake Mr. Cat broke the jar of honey. Okay, so he was totally scared. Why? Because he was, yes, Mr. Cat said, what? I broke Mr. Bear's bottle of honey. He will be mad at me. What shall I do? Because he was working in his house as a servant. Okay, so one day he was cleaning the kitchen. Suddenly he fell down and he broke the jar of honey accidentally. So Mr. Cat was totally scared so Mr. Cat said to dog, what should I do? So Mr. Dog said, the name of the story already it is written, the trusting dog. So dog was also telling, not need to be worried, just always God does is the best, so you just trust in God. Okay, so at night Cat was praying to God and he was saying, oh God, guide me, protect me and help me with this problem. But what happened next day? Mr. Bear returned home and he asked about the honey. And what happened, children? Yes, Mr. Cat said he apologized him and he said, sorry Mr. Bear, I broke the jar accidentally. But Mr. Bear said, you broke my precious bottle of honey, so get out from my house. So at last Cat was totally scared, but again Mr. Dog said, not need to be worried, just believe in God. Okay, so Mr. Cat was totally, now after that deep in the jungle there was a notice, and it was written, looking for a cook, not for cook for goods with good salary and free boarding. So Cat became totally happy, and at last Mr. Cat said, yes, I had remained in that house, but in Bear's house he always be penniless, but now he is prospered. Okay children, so Mr. Cat also learned from this incident. He just learned what we should always trust in God and what not need to be worried in times of difficulty. So what we all have learned, children, we should always trust in God. God is the powerful protector. He can do everything. He is everywhere. Okay children, now children, you all are going to do the work related to this chapter, and that is answer this question. Okay, so let's start. Answer this question. So first question is here, what are 4 kingdoms on the earth? So children, what do you know about this? There are 4 kingdoms, already you all know, children, and these include the mineral kingdom, what? The mineral kingdom, and mineral mineral kingdom. Okay, the mineral kingdom, vegetable kingdom, animal kingdom and the human kingdom. Okay children, and in mineral kingdom like stone, salt, iron will come in the parts of mineral kingdom. Onion, ginger, tomato, cauliflower, these all will come in vegetable kingdom. Animals kingdom like lion, cows, monkey, giraffes will come in animal kingdom. And human beings is already you all know, children, human beings can look different in the color of their skin, their build. Okay, so children, there are 4 kingdoms. Now I have explained. After that, children, okay children, now next move to the next question. Why do you trust in God? Write any 3 reasons. Children, already you all know, children, God has created the universe, the sun, the moon, and all the creature, and there is asking, why do you trust in God? Write any 3 reasons. So you can write first, I trust in God because He loves me and guide me. Yes, when we pray to God, God is the powerful protector. We should always trust in God because He loves us and always guide us. Okay children, so we should always pray to God every day. Now second, I trust in God because He most powerful. Yes, He is the powerful protector. He is everywhere. Okay, and if we will make wrong, God will punish us. Okay children, so what we should always trust in God. Why? Because He is the most powerful protector. Now see number what, I trust in God because He knows what is the best for me. As you all know children, in this story also the chapter trusting dog was Mr. Dog was telling what sometimes it seems, yes, sometimes things seem to be wrong, go wrong, but we knew, but in that case also we need not to be sad, be patient and leave your affairs in God's care, because children, God is knowing what is best for us. Okay children, so He is what, He loves us, He guides us, He is the most powerful protector, and He knows very well what is the best for us. Okay, so you will have to write only 3 reasons. Now third, which is like a school which has different standards, children? Yes, religion is like a school, in the place of which you will write religion, because children, you all are knowing children, as you all read in say one school, and your name, like you all read in a school and your school name is New Era Junior School, but you can see there what it has many standards, like section standard 1 2 3. Okay, standard 1 from 1 to 12. Okay children, so religion is also like a school which has different standard, but God, and they always believe in one, and that is only God is one. Okay children, so religion is also like a school which has different standard. Now what is the foundation of all human virtue, children? Yes, truthfulness is the foundation of all human virtue, children. So we should always we should always speak the truth. We should never speak lie, because it is the foundation of all human virtue. So truthfulness is the foundation of all human virtues. Okay, now fifth number, what lesson did you learn from Mr. Cat? Children, in this story, at last Mr. Cat learned something. So what, and you also, what did you learn from Mr. Cat? Yes, we should always trust in God and not worry in times of difficulty, because God knows everything what is best for us. He is the powerful protector and He is everywhere. Okay children, so we should always trust in God, like Mr. Dog. The name of the story is the trusting dog. It means Mr. Dog always keep trust in God. As it means also in times of difficulty he also trust in God. So same way children, we should always pray to God and have patience, and just always not need to worry in the times of difficulty, because sometimes what things seem to be go wrong, but we need not be sad and be patient, and we leave your affairs in what, God's care, because God is the best. Okay, and He knows what is the best for us. So children, what best for us, it is God is knowing very well. So what we all have learned from this story, we should always trust in God and not need to be worry in times of difficulty. Okay children, so these question answer, children, you all have to write down in your copy. First children, you all will read the quotations, prayers, and songs from the given quotation sheet. And also children, you all will read the chapter of chapter 1, God the Creator, and the name of the story, The Trusting Dog. You all will read this chapter twice nicely, and then after you all will do the question answer in your copy with beautiful handwriting. Okay children, so hope you all have understood very nicely. For once again, so I would like to say you children, thank you for watching this video till end. So for today, once again, everyone say bye bye and have a wonderful day. Thank you everyone. Say bye. Bye bye you all.